Good morning, children. Now we are going to see about 7th standard physics first unit measurement. In our last class, we saw about how to find the area of regular shaped figures. In this class, we are going to see about area of irregularly shaped figures. In our daily life, we encounter many irregularly shaped figures like leaves, maps, stickers of stars, peacock feather, etc. The area of such irregularly shaped figures cannot be calculated using any formula. How can we find the area of this irregularly shaped object? We can find the area of these figures with the help of graph sheet. The graphical method explained about can be used to find the area of regularly shaped figures also. In the case of square and rectangle, this method gives the area accurately. Next, we are going to see about volume. What is volume? The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. Volume formula is volume is equal to surface area into height. SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Next, we are going to see about volume of regularly shaped objects. We are going to solve some problems here. First problem. Find the volume of a cube whose side is 3 cm. Formula for volume of cube is side into side into side. So here side value is 3 cm. So 3 cm into 3 cm into 3 cm. 3 into 3 into 3. 27. So the volume of this cube is 27 cubic centimeter. Second problem. Find the volume of a cylinder whose radius is 3 meter and height is 7 meter. Okay, what is the formula for volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi value is 22 by 7. Radius value 3 centimeter. So 3 square. And height is 7 meter. So 22 by 7 into 9 into 7. So answer is 198 cubic meter. Okay, children. Next we are going to see about volume of liquids. The volume of a liquid is equal to the volume of space it fills in the container. This can be directly observed from the readings marked in the measuring container. Liter is the commonly used unit to measure the volume of liquids. A volume of 1000 cc, that is cc means cubic centimeter, is termed as 1 liter. Let's see some regular shaped objects with this formula. Cube. Volume side into side, that is a cube. Cuboid. Length into breadth into h. L into b into h. Now we are going to see about density. What is density? The lightness or heaviness of a body is due to density. Let's see the definition for density. Density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume. Density formula is mass by volume. SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. CGS unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. The relationship between mass, density and volume. The relationship between mass, density and volume are represented in the density triangle. D for density, M for mass, V for volume. Suppose we want to know the density of a substance object means density formula is mass divided by volume. Density formula is mass divided by volume. Now we are going to see about volume mass formula. Mass formula is density into volume. mass equal to density into volume. Next formula for volume. Volume formula is mass divided by density. Volume is equal to mass divided by density. Now we are going to see some problems. First problem, a solid cylinder of mass 280 kilogram has a volume of 4 meter cube. Find the density of cylinder. In this problem, we are going to see density of a cylinder. So, what is formula for density of cylinder? Density of cylinder equal to mass of cylinder divided by volume of cylinder. That is density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, what is the mass of cylinder? 280 kilograms. Mass 280 kilograms. Volume of cylinder. Volume 4 meter cube. So 280 divided by 4. Answer is 70. So density of cylinder is 70 kilogram per meter cube. Next problem. A box is made up of iron and it has a volume of 125 centimeter cube. Find its mass. Here density of iron is 7.8 gram by centimeter cube. Okay, let's find out the density. Density formula is density is equal to mass divided by volume. Now in this problem we are going to find out mass. So mass formula volume into density. So volume value 125 centimeter cube. So volume 125 into density they gave already 7.8 grams. So 125 into 7.9. So the mass of the iron box is 975 grams. Next, problem number 3. A spear is made from copper whose mass is 3000 kilogram. If the density of copper is 8900 kilogram per meter cube, find the volume of the spear. Now we are going to find the volume of spear. So volume formula is mass divided by density. V is equal to m by d. So mass is 3000 kilogram. So 3000 divided by density value 8900 kilogram per meter cube. So answer is 0.34 meter cube. So volume of the spear is 0.34 meter cube. Okay children, next we are going to learn about measuring distance of celestial bodies. Normally we use centimeter, meter and kilometer to express the distance that we measure in our day-to-day life. But for space research, astronomers need to measure very long distance such as the distance between the earth and a star or the distance between two stars. To express this distance, now we are going to learn about two such units, namely astronomical unit, light year. What is astronomical unit? One astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. One astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Next, light year. Astronomers use a special unit called light year for measuring the distance in deep space. If light travels a distance of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter in 1 second, then the distance traveled by light in 1 year is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 into 3.153 into 10 to the power of 7 is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. This is 3 into 10 to the power of 18 is light travel in vacuum, that is speed of light in vacuum. 3.153 into 10 to the power of 7 is total number of second in 1 year. So 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. Okay children, in this lesson we saw about physical quantities, fundamental quantities, derived quantities, then area of figures, irregular shaped figures area, then volume, density, SI units, relationship between density, mass, volume, astronomical unit, light year. Okay, we will meet in another new topic in our next class. Thank you, children.